Hey, what is up everybody? It is AJ here, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can stop attendees from moving through the PowerPoint slides that you're presenting through Microsoft Teams. With a lot of people working remotely and working hybridly, we're doing a lot more PowerPoint presentations over the web. This is great because it allows us to stay connected with our teammates and our colleagues, but it also means there are a few more tips and tricks you need to learn to make sure the presentations are as powerful as possible. One of the things with Microsoft Teams is that by default, the attendee on the other side can actually flick through the slides you're going to present before you present them. So what I'm going to show you today is how you can stop them from jumping to the end of the slide, and they have to follow along with you as you go through and you present the content. Of course, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you want to supercharge the way you use your computer, hit that subscribe button as well. With that being said, let's get into this. So you can see here that we're in a Teams call. We have Bob on the other side, and we are now sharing a PowerPoint with him, and the PowerPoint is called Follow Along Attendee Controls. You can see here we are the presenter. We can go into presenter mode and put ourselves in the content. We can of course do some cool things like grab our laser pointer and move it around. We can grab our pen and mark up on here. But if we look at Bob's perspective, he can actually move through the slides. So where he is staying on slide 1 doing our introduction, but Bob might actually jumping all the way, seeing how many slides are in here. So we're now on Bob's view, and you can see here that he actually has the option to, in the bottom left hand corner, he can jump through and he can start looking at different slides. He knows that he's not on the right slide because the screen is now yellow around him, and he actually has the option here of where it says to presenter. And if Bob selects on the option of to presenter, it's going to take him back to the slide that we as a presenter are on. But there is nothing right now stopping Bob from just jumping through and going through all the slides by himself. And this can really impact the presentation that you're giving. So if you want to stop Bob and other people from jumping through and looking at the slides that you're not ready to show them, it's really quite simple. So you can see here we're back in our point of view, and we are still doing our introductory presentation. And what we're going to do is actually stop all the attendees from being able to move forward in the PowerPoint, and they have to follow along with you. To do this is really quite simple. At the top of your Teams, you have a lot of controls like your camera and your microphone. You've got the attendees. In the center of the screen, there's a button that says Stop Presenting, which is going to turn off your presentation. And right next to that is an option that says Prevent Participants from Moving Through Shared Presentations on Their Own. This is the button that you want to turn on. So watch what happens when we turn this on. It actually stops people from being able to view the presentation any further or any back, and they have to stay at the slide that you're currently presenting. So let's go back and see what Bob can see now. So now that we're in Bob's view, he's now forced to be on the same slide as you. And if we wiggle the mouse and look at the controls he has, he actually doesn't have the option anymore to go back or forward in the slides. He has to stay on the same slide as you. So there you have it. It is that easy to stop participants from moving forward or back on the slides on their own. This way, they're going to be forced to stay on the slide that you're presenting, and it's going to make your presentations a lot more impactful. Hope you guys found this tip useful. If you did, let me know by giving a thumbs up. And of course, if you want to supercharge the way you use your computer, hit that subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.